and welcome back to my channel. Today we're tackling this windscreen. Now just let me switch the camera around. When I first got this bike, you can see right down there I put these separators in just to lift up this screen a little bit and keep the crap off my face. It works a little bit, but I've got something that I've bought from Squires, and so what we're going to do is we're going to take this windscreen off, undo these 4 bolts, get those separators out. I'm going to put the old separators back in and see where we go from there. Also, hopefully going to come up with a better solution than these, because these aren't working very well. So I'm going to put some new rubber washers around them, I think, if I can find some. So yeah, got the windscreen off. 4 bolts right there, rubber washers, and there's the windscreen. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go put this somewhere safe so I'm not dropping it on the floor. If you're wondering what the cover's for, it's because it's actually quite a sunny day when the sun comes out, and I don't want it kicking the hell out of my seat. So what we're doing here, I've taken all the old rubber washers off. So I'm going to put new rubber washers on, along with these, and these are the spaces for the windscreen. I'll show you how I put them all on. Right, so you can see there it goes bolt, metal washer, rubber washer, and oops. And the top 2 bolts have got these spaces in there to keep it straight. And hopefully should sit just like that. So people who watch my channel quite regular will probably notice from this angle that this sits kind of low now. But don't worry, I've got a product that I've bought. It's going to go on there. So this here is the real reason I'm doing this video, and this is the Oxford Windshield, or wind deflector, whichever you want to call it, and it will sit on any windshield, old or new. I'm going to tighten it up for you because I'm going to show you how to put it on. And if you go to Speed Style in Squires, which is the motorcycle accessory shop at Squires Café, there's a lad behind the counter there called Jonny Speed. If you go on Facebook, type in Jonny Speed, you'll find him. And he's been talking to Oxford, and together they've come up with this, apparently. Get on their website or get down to the shop itself and check them out. They are brilliant, brilliant things. It comes with the Allen key and everything to fit it. So easy to put on, and adjustable. No, it's not fastened on properly right now, but adjustable. It's so adjustable. Look, slip it up and down and change the positioning, whatever you want to do. It's so good, love it. Check them out. So just underneath the contraption there's 4 little grub screws, and they tighten onto your windscreen. And in the middle, if you can see it there, there's rubber and a metal plate which keep your windscreen safe. So there's no worrying about scratching up your windscreen or punching through your windscreen, God forbid. Oop. Now there is a Allen key supplied with the product, but I'm using my own little T-handled one just for ease. And that, guys, is basically fitted. So I said to adjust it, undo that tightening, I don't know what you call them, like a lever bolt. Adjust it to the angle you want, which which is like that for me, and then tighten up the bolt again. There you go, solid as a rock. And now that will shoot all the crap off my face. So this will be the view you're going to get from now. And when I'm vlogging, because obviously this, you'll notice in one of my videos it got a bit annoying because you've just got this bouncing up and down in front of the camera, but you can undo that adjustment and slip it all the way down so it's practically out of the way. It is, there you go, you'll be seeing that, and we'll go for a ride, test it out I think. So this is me trying out the windscreen, and it's just started to rain, and it's keeping most of the crap off my face, I will admit. I mean, there's spots getting through obviously, but the wind noise in my helmet's cut down. I think the Speed Style shop and Oxford are onto a good thing here. It really does work, it's brilliant. That is going to improve my ride at no end. Yeah, I do recommend one of these windscreens. Absolutely top notch, and it's not going nowhere, so secure.